Chinese fried rice is the most versatile and convenient food. It's a famous Asian street food. Let's make it. We are using leftover rice from yesterday. Take it out of the pot and break the rice clumps. If using freshly cooked rice, you need to wait until it will reach to room temperature. Separating the rice grains is a technique that allows the rice to fry and absorb the flavors from the seasoning. After that, spread it over a big plate. Beat 2 eggs and set aside. For cooking, use any neutral flavor oil. We are using canola oil around 3 tablespoons. Heat the oil on medium-high heat. Add the beaten eggs. Fry the eggs, keep stirring. When it is cooked completely, take it out from the pan before it changes its color. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and fry 1/4 cup of garlic. When it changes its color, add 1 teaspoon of chopped green chili. Sauté a little bit and add 2 cups of rice. Stir the rice until it is mixed with garlic and fried well for 5 minutes. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped green pepper, 1/4 cup of chopped carrots, 1/2 cup of finely cut cabbage, and white part of spring onions. Sauté on medium heat for 5 minutes until all vegetables mix together. Add the fried eggs. Sauté for 5 minutes and mix it well. Stir the rice on medium heat now. Add 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of MSG. Now add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix it well. Lastly, add green part of spring onions. Give it a good mix. In the end, you can add some green onions and 2 teaspoons of sesame all over the top. Full of flavor and delicious Chinese fried rice is ready. Enjoy! Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.